Hey guys, it's Randa from Randa Nutrition, and today we are going to make roasted Moroccan carrots. Super simple recipe. It came from a Moroccan carrot salad I have on the Bewitching Kitchen, which uses raw carrots, and it's this easy salad you just kind of whip together. And I thought it'd be kind of fun to do a roasted variety of it. So we have about 8 large carrots that are cut into large chunks. And I have about a whole lemon here, and that's roughly 3 to 4 tablespoons, depending on the size of the lemon you have. I have avocado oil. Because we're roasting this on a high heat, we want to use avocado oil over olive oil. So I'm going to put we're going to do 3 tablespoons of the oil. Next, I have 2 cloves of garlic that are minced. And next are the spices. So I have half a teaspoon of cumin, half the teaspoon of sea salt, and I use Himalayan pink sea salt, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm kind of crouching here because my setup does not work well for my kitchen, so I'm kind of sitting there so I can still be in the screen. And then for a little bit of kick, we have a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne. I'm going to move this out of the way and we're going to stir this together. Make sure everything gets coated really well. You don't want like some of the carrots to have chunks of the cinnamon, because then it'll be really overpowering just on that one particular carrot. So do that. And in the raw carrot salad, I have about 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley in with it as well. I ran out of parsley. I'm going to pour the carrots on a parchment paper lined baking pan, and the oven is preheated to 400 degrees. And we're going to roast this for about 25 to 30 minutes. And I'll bring that out when I'm done. So the carrots are done, and right before I threw it in the oven, I did find some dried parsley, so I put about 2 tablespoons over the carrots. I cooked them for 25 minutes and I stirred them halfway through to make sure they're evenly coated. They still have a lot of crunch to them, but they're like roasted carrots. But if you like them a little softer, maybe try for 30 minutes. But either way, it's really good. They're lightly flavored. If you want them to have a little bit more of a punch, I recommend marinating the carrot in that mixture for maybe like ½ hour to 2 hours depending. And this is going to be a great side dish for the summer, the spring. It really brightens it up thanks to the lemon juice and the cumin. You guys are going to love it. If you're looking for more healthy recipes and healthy meal plans, make sure you go to randadirksen.com/nutrition library. I do have meal plans and cheat sheets and other healthy resources available there. And don't forget to like and subscribe to this video and my channel. We will see you next week.